I'm going to share the screen. First of all, here it is written that wallpaper and screensaver. We can use the wallpaper and screensaver in our computer. So how we are going to change that? First of all, I will show it. And to add and remove common desktop icons also, you don't have to do these things much. You have to only know how to create a folder, and I think that much is enough for you. Just I'm going to stop the share, so that I'm just going to again share my screen and I want to show you. Okay, so one process I'm just going to say you, just listen to it very carefully. Here, suppose this picture I want to change, this wallpaper, this yellow wallpaper I want to change. Okay, so how I can just do it. I will be able to do it. Suppose here first from File Explorer I will go first. I will open it. From the File Explorer I will go to my F drive, because in the F drive here one folder is there where my wallpapers are wallpapers are getting stored. Okay, so the name is HD wallpaper actually. Okay, so here in this folder first I will open. Now any of the picture I will first open from here. Okay, suppose this I want to make my Tanveer. Many of you, I can see that you are not paying attention. What's the matter? I don't know, because in from your childhood you are getting to know that you have to do better maths. But trust me, if you are not going to learn computer, you will not able to do many things. So this uh, image, if I want to use as a wallpaper, I will just right click on it. Right click, set as background. Okay. Next here, I will just minimize it and I will see that it has been changed or not. See, it has been changed. Okay. Again, I'm showing you. First, I'm going to the File Explorer or this PC, or here I have to go to where? Here I have to go to new volume app. Okay, from there we have to go to the HD wallpaper, and any of the wallpaper you choose and open. Again, suppose I want to use this wallpaper, right click on it, set as set as background. Is it clear, Sajad? Again, is it clear, Sajad, Tanveer? Many of you are sitting with blank face. Is it clear to you all? Priyam is showing her his eyes. Is it clear or it is not clear till now? Why you are not responding? Means if it is clear, show me a thumbs up. Yes, Priyam only showing me the thumbs up. Okay, Tafim also. Rest of the student didn't understood. Advija raised your hand. Okay, okay, Advija. Yes, unmute.
Ma'am, please can you again show how to make a folder?
Steps you have written.
How to change the wallpaper? I can't see for my network connection.
Yeah, I will show. Okay, so first of all, I'm closing everything. Okay, So this wallpaper I need to change. Okay. First of all, this PC or my computer, something options will be there. I am just going to double clicking on it. All the drives, I hope that everyone can see all these drives will be opening like this, right? So from here, we are just going to the new volume F. Yes, new volume F. I'm just going to open. Here, my folder is named as HT wallpaper. Mean this in this folder, whatever the wallpapers I'm putting on my computer, I keep it over there. Any of the pictures, suppose I want to use this picture, okay, I can just open it. I have opened it. How I have opened it? Double clicking. By double clicking on it, steps I will write you, make you write. Okay, so right click on
Okay.
it. Right click on it. Here many options will be coming. You will see that add to favorites, delete, edit and create. Yes, edit can also we can just do in the in nowadays computers. Okay, your book is written in a very old version. So here I'm just going to set as background. My background has been changed. I kept I will minimize it. Okay, here you can see, I hope that my background has been again changed. Okay, is it okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And later I will show I have making a folder.
Yeah.
I will show you later.
Okay, is it okay to everyone? Please show me the thumbs up or Nish Dipa. And many of you know these things. I know that they are not paying attention, but in the practical, I will give you this. If any day school will happen in the practical, I will make you do this kind of thing. That time you can't say me that ma'am I can't do. Okay, so I'm just stopping my share. So here we are just going to write those things. Give to the CW, and our writing is today how to change so this is step 1. Give today's date and write everything. If it is completed, just raise your hand. Only seven students have done completed it. Okay, I'm just going to check the attendance. Okay, and I'm gonna end this class afterwards. Have you done it? Only six students, five students. What is this? Please raise your hand. Okay, so most of you has completed your tasks. Okay, today's work is up to this. I'm just not extending this chapter anything more. Okay, so tomorrow I will within these 2 days I will try to finish this chapter 2 3 days. Okay. Okay, bye everyone. I'm just going to stop this share. Okay. Bye everyone. What happened, Audrija?
Ma'am, I want to show you
What?
something. Wait, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, very nice. Audrija, do the class next class from your laptop so that it will be
I
possible for
have no
me,
laptop, ma'am.
or desktop means you can connect the net to the desktop. Is it more convenient to me to share? Means I will give you the screen share option so that your friends also can see it very nicely, like the way I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, ma'am. I will say talk with my father.
Yes, yes. Talk with your father. If he can connect, if he can connect your PC with your net, then you will be able to do it. Okay, everyone. Bye. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, bye.
Thank you.